Hey guys, welcome back to another video. As you can tell by the title, I will be doing a deep clean of my refrigerator and restocking of groceries ASMR. If you are new to my channel, my name is Allison. I do cleaning motivation videos. If you're returning, welcome back. And for the people who have been here in my channel, thank you so much for the support. We are at 100 subscribers and counting. I'm so happy for that. So guys, I do weekly uploads on Tuesday at 4 p.m. But I want to change my weekly upload to probably Monday, Sunday, or Saturday. Comment down below which is the best day I should upload. And happy Saturday. Happy July 4th. I hope you guys enjoy your weekend.
I should let you know, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low, that's when I love you the most. Now I thought I should let you know, no, it's no more, no. I really thought we had it covered.
After a long week of work, I decided to go to the supermarket and get some groceries. I still need to go to Publix to get some fruits and vegetables, but I'm really excited to get this clean and organized and share with you guys the process in case you need some motivation to clean out your own refrigerator.
Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down.
Here is a quick haul from Walmart of everything that I picked up for the refrigerator and pantry.
This time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low.
So I'm starting off by cleaning out the entire fridge first and then get rid of things that you don't need or that are expired. This will help you clutter and make room for things that you need.
No, it's no more, no, no. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more, no, no. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. No, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low, that's when I love you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. No, it's no more, we don't know. No, it's no more, we don't know. No, it's no more, we don't know. No, it's no more, no, no. We don't know. No, it's no more, we don't know. No, it's no more.
For some reason, I really enjoy cleaning this part because it's so satisfying to see this fridge getting clean. There was such a mess, sticky residue from spilled jelly. To clean my refrigerator, I'm using the 𝗀𝗲𝘁 multi-purpose cleaner. If you don't know what 𝗀𝗲𝘁 is, it's just add water system. It's a powerful cleaner that is tough on dirt but gentle on the household surfaces. If you would like to purchase it, I have a link down below.
We can wind it down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby. Maybe later we can dance, never let it go. Listen to our favorite songs on the radio. Losing up and lose ourselves to this feeling, oh. I just want your everything, baby. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming, babe. I don't mind another round.
I'm going to let the music play for the rest of the video. I really hope you enjoy this cleaning and organizing video and is inspired to give your refrigerator a well-deserved refresh. Let me know in the comments below what are in your home you need to take care of.
I feel it dripping from my mouth, drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. Moon is rising and the stars are coming out, but we miss it 'cause we're way down on the ground. be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. You love, you love, you love. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember while you have my number. You love, you love, you love. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. You love, you love, you love. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. You love, you love, you love. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. You love, you love, you love. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. You love, you love, you love. With every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, you love, you love, you love. With every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, you love, you love, you love. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. You love, you love, you love. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. You love, you love, you love. With every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, you love, you love, you love. With every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, you love, you love, you love. We got time, but no money. But there ain't nobody stopping us. We got this, but no, we don't really give up. No, we don't really give up. Living for the ray of light. Life can be beautiful. Tonight, making it beautiful. Acting like there's no tomorrow. Let me move with your body, you're exotic. My eyes can see perfection